All right, let's have a little challenge. Under 5-second peel.
Ooh. From when?
When I say. Okay. 1, 2. No, it didn't work. We'll go 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
This guy loves overestimating his abilities. 30 second salsa, yeah. Do you really want a 5-second peel? I can give you a 2-second peel. Oh, this guy doesn't know the true technique. I'm gonna have to show you. The legendary Korean egg peeling technique.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
You can peel quickly. Alright. Bring it on.
So you prepped yours first, yeah? You prepped it first. So I'm gonna prep mine first as well. Just prep it.
Alright, you ready?
Don't get excited. Alright.
You break the egg, I will finish you.
So I'm gonna get the camera angle here. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Oh damn, this side's not good.
I told you these eggs aren't good for peeling. Oh yeah. Cameraman is going down. What's that?
I forgot how to do it.
Is that your blowjob trick?
Nah, there's this.
Right. This is the best thing about making Scotch eggs, right? Is that you can just put tons of meat around them.
Yeah, something that supermarkets never do. They're always stingy with the meat. And over breadcrumbing.
Just give you loads of bread and egg.
Yeah, loads of bread and egg, no meat.
There's so many things you can do when you make them. You can do like pickle the egg, you know, put like
Stuffed cheese.
stuffed cheese. I was actually thinking of wrapping one with some cheese. You know, like that fake cheese you
Well,
get.
stop thinking. Start doing. Some chilies in there would be good too.
I got a little thingy of brie actually.
That would wrap.
I'm not a rapper.
Ooh, a brie Scotch egg. I had
So
munched
stop
out, mate.
rapping at me.
Oh god. I mean, that chili as well. I wouldn't mind a chill. Mind a bit of spice in my life.
Oh, you want a chili one?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, go get some chili, boy. Yeah.
Did my man just say, "Go get some chili." Like
Yeah,
I'm some sort of
like a fucking meat hand.
slave out here. Get out of here. Let's go get some chili, please. Actually, fresh bit of chili.
This is cameraman style. He just no thought. He just throws things in whole. Like, what does this guy live on?
I live in the spice world, my friend. We like it whole.
So we got some cayenne, some chilies, and some dried chilies in there.
It's not very traditional to put those in.
It's not. We're gonna call this the camera egg.
Yeah, you thought that was hilarious. He was off screen laughing, thinking.
We got some brie here. I don't know if this is gonna work. It's very experimental. We could be on to something.
Thank me later, mate.
Just
Took this video
tricky to
from
work with.
500 views to 1 million views.
There we go. Now, let me ask you a question.
Now, let me start this off by telling you I don't like Scotch eggs. Boom.
What?
Mic drop.
What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean?
Anyone who's British will know that when you buy Scotch eggs in the supermarket, they're dry. They're dry. They're just rubbish. You don't get no squiddly oat yolk. You don't. It's no meat in it. It's rubbish. Salty. Blech.
You're right, I agree.
I've never had a freshly made one, so I'm going to take away my prejudice of Scotch eggs because it's based on dry supermarket ones.
So this is normal.
Now, what were you going to say?
I was going to ask you when the last time you had a Scotch egg was.
No.
But now I know that question's useless.
I'll tell you what, I am looking forward to this. Seems like I should like all a Scotch eggs with the ingredients.
You should like it.
Are we going in?
Let's go.
Cheers.
Juicy. Kind of has a McNugget-y taste to it, I'm not gonna lie.
That is like a whole different food from the supermarket ones. Wow, I've never had it like this. I've never had it hot before either. Completely different.
Now I'm excited for the Emil tube one. And I think this one's gonna be better. Annoyingly enough.
Of course. It's got cheese and chili in it. How could it not be better? Come on. The traditional one is tradish, but you know, British people neglect putting chili in their food generally.
They do, yeah.
Right.
Oh my god. Oh fuck. Wow. That's next level. Oh my
That
god.
makes it from good to banging.
I don't think I can go back to normal after eating that.
Woo! I mean, why would you?
Woo.
There's no need to go for an option which doesn't have melted cheese and chili in it. Especially like fried goodness like this. Just some jalapenos. Make like Scotch egg jalapeno popper, like. You know what I'm saying?
I know what you're saying. Whoa. Yeah. Jalapenos, mozzarella, habaneros. Ooh.
That's ridiculous. Because of the cheese as well. It doesn't even need a sauce, this one either.
Mmm.
The cheese gives it a lot more moisture.
That's juicy.
Man. Here you go, mate.
Alright, we've got some
Dijon mustard.
we've got some experiments now.
Oh yeah.
So we got like this what's cheese and onion?
Yes, cheese and onion powder.
Cheese and onion powder. So let's try this. And we got some mustard. So
French mustard.
French mustard.
On a British dish.
Woo. Holy moly.
That's pretty damn bang-a-langing.
When Emil's mum gives you lemons, keep them hot.
Also your man.
Yeah, whatever.